Hey, what's up guys? How you guys doing? In this video we're gonna make a little bit of a vlog about me actually going to the gym, picking up my stuff, picking up my car, heading to the gym, and when I come back I'm gonna start doing the recap of the whole week, of the trades that I took and why I took them. I hope you guys follow and hope you guys enjoy this video. This is gonna be my first video. This is gonna be my first video doing vlogs type of stuff. So just to try something new, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the technical analysis part of the video. Alright, let's go. So first thing first, I came to pick up my book bag because this is where I have everything, most of my stuff for the gym. Just a little quick tour to my apartment complex. So now let's go to the gym. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of annoying because I live in the 14th floor, and it's kind of annoying. Every time I want to head out, I have to go through the elevator, but it is what it is. So now let's just go downstairs and get to my car, and let's go to the gym. We finally made it to the gym. Now it's just time to work out, go to the sauna, maybe the cold plunge, and just relax. Okay, so we're done for today. Now let's go home and review that trade and analysis. So let's get to the video. Also, what do you guys think about my gym? This is a pretty lit gym. I couldn't get to record anything of the workout because there was a lot of people, so I was kind of shy about it, but eventually I'm gonna start to feel more comfortable and record. But this is a pretty dope gym. It has a lot of stuff to it. I also got into the cold plunge, and I'm gonna put that in the video later. If you guys want to see it, it's okay. If not, y'all can skip it. But yeah, now we got to the car. Oh, gotta unlock it, right? Okay, so we're in the technical analysis part of the video, guys. And these are the 3 trades that I took this week. I especially trade indices. I trade specifically the US30 futures version of it, obviously, but I mainly have my charts with the regular version of US30, and whenever I'm gonna place a buy or a short, I just do it on my futures account, because I also have a group of members where I send them my signals every time I take a trade. So that's why I have to know exactly the price point at which I'm going to be sending those signals, whatever. So going back to the analysis of the trades that I took this week, these were it. As you guys can see, I'm in the high time frame of the 1 daily. Well, this is a high time frame for me because this is what makes me kind of know what the market is doing. So especially right now, as you guys can see, the US30 is in a super bullish uptrend. So we were in, especially this week, we were pretty bullish. As you guys can see, I have my support and resistance from this week, and I also have a little bit of support of right here as well. As you guys can see, we retested support and we went all the way up to the resistance. We broke resistance, retested, and then go all the way up to the next resistance level. We also sweep that resistance as well, as you guys can see. But I'm gonna give you specifically the points and the confirmations that made me want to take those trades. As you guys can see, these were all it. I'm gonna go to a little bit lower time frame, which is the 4 hour one. I'm gonna move this a little bit right here. I'm gonna go to the 4 hour, and I'm gonna explain to you as exactly why I took those trades. I already mentioned that we were in a bullish market structure, so that would pretty much let you know that I'm gonna be only looking for buys. I'm not the type of trader that looks for sells in a bullish market structure or vice versa. So let's get exactly to the point and the confirmations that make me took these trades. So as you guys can see, this is one of the trades that I took. I'm gonna be very specific of why I took that trade. Let me see. As you guys can see, if you guys follow me for a minute or you guys already watch my course, you guys know that one of the biggest confirmations that I take are the Fibonacci retracements. I trade a lot based off the Fibonacci tool and Fibonacci levels. I'm going to show you exactly how I got this trade. So what I do is I usually tend to use the lower point of that same day and my highest point. So I'm looking for a retracement of a 61% to the 78%. That's usually my entry points. But whenever the market retraces up to the 76 to 78% Fibonacci level, that's like my golden zone for me to start taking a trade. So that's where I would be taking a trade. So if I would be to take this trade, I believe that I go to the 15-minute time frame, and this is where I'm basically live trading, basically. So I mark my Fibonacci up to the highest point, and I usually take the trades at around the 76 to 78% area, as you guys can see. So in this point, I took the trade like around this price point. So that's usually where I took my trades. My position was taken around this time. And usually what I like to do after the retracement, I like to see a couple of retests around that zone or that area that makes me not think that the price is gonna come is not gonna come down. Like if I'm taking a buy, I don't wanna have a lot of reactions to the market as if it were to show me that the market was completely gonna melt and take me out because of liquidity of any other source of thing. So this is basically where I will be taking my entry. I took like around right here, and then I got around, let me see, I got around 600 points on US30. But since I'm trading futures, I just took like one contract. I'm not gonna lie, because the market was kind of itchy. I could have taken more contracts, but the market, like as you guys can see, it was in a lot of consolidation, so I wasn't gonna risk that much. Usually, when there's consolidations, I don't really like to trade. I don't really like to risk a lot. So this is basically what I did. So going on to the next trade. This is another trade that I took about the same thing. Basically, I took the lowest point to the highest point of my Fibonacci key level, and when it retraced like around this area, as you guys can see, this is where I entered the trade. So this is where I took the next entry. So I took it like around this level right here, and at this entry, I also got to have around 350 points, and same as this one. I always trade the same strategy. I trade Fibonacci levels. This is basically what works best for me at this point. I was also a little bit of risk here, but I also managed my risk as to one contract per trade, which made me gather in total of almost 900 points for the week. So that should be good. That should be pretty good, pretty decent. This is basically just what I do every single week. I try to manage to have a small risk management for higher points or higher yeah, higher points on the in this or stock or pair that I'm trading. So this is basically what I did. I almost gathered 950 points off of all of these trades that I took this week. Basically, they were in that difficult to catch because we were in a bullish market uptrend as I was mentioning before. So it was pretty obvious that the market had to have a little bit of consolidation, and I managed to have my entries at a certain Fibonacci key level where I like to enter my trades. Uh, if you guys have seen my strategy, I have it all free on YouTube. Basically, I have a whole free course on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to understand this strategy better, I do recommend you guys go check it out. I basically have it for free. If you guys want to go to my YouTube channel, which is this one, I have it all for free here. Basically, I have all of these articles of these videos are basically my golden strategy, as you can call it. I have it all for free. I don't charge for that, but I basically do give a lot of free information on YouTube, free content. And if you guys actually do want to get to understand trading a little bit better, I do suggest that you watch these videos because I know it's gonna help you a lot. So yeah, this is basically all of the trades that I took this week. I'm sorry. So yeah, basically the confirmations for this trade just were like market structure, support and resistance, uh, break and retest, and just Fibonacci key levels. That's about it. And yeah, this is just a recap for this week. I really do want to see what's going to happen next week because we are in an all-time high. As you guys can see, we have a pretty decent retracement. So I'm looking to see if this week we're still gonna be bullish. I want to see if we're gonna have a retest around this support, this resistance right here, because we just broke it above. Let me just go to the higher time frame just so you guys can see it better and understand what I'm saying. I'm gonna go to the daily time frame and show you guys exactly what I mean. There's a lot of Fibonacci key levels here. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're in an all-time high and we still look pretty bullish. We just broke past this resistance right here, and I'm hoping that this week we can basically finally retest this resistance and continue to go to the upside. This is what I'm expecting for this week. But of course, I'm not going to take a trade until I have at least two of my confirmations ready for this week. If not, I'm not going to be taking a trade because anything can happen this week. Trump just got basically showed up at his Pennsylvania event, so the market could actually move really, really crazy. So I don't wanna risk a lot of my money basically here. So I'm just gonna wait for the confirmations from the market. Remember, you cannot predict what the market is going to do. You can only react to it. So if the market goes bullish, I'm going to react bullish to it. If it does happen to react bearish because of the news and everything that's going on, then I'm going to react bearish as well. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to check out more content, please let me know. If you guys like it, if you guys appreciate it, please give it a thumbs up. That would really help my channel, and subscribe as well. It would notify you every time I upload a video. And yeah, for sure. Stay tuned, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.